Hey there, space enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of black holes and gravity. But don't worry, we're going to keep things simple and exciting. Let's blast off into this cosmic adventure, the gravity. What is gravity? Gravity is a force that pulls things toward each other. Imagine if you drop a toy from your hand. It falls to the ground because of gravity. This force makes everything with mass, like people, animals, and objects, stay on the ground instead of floating away. How does gravity work? Think of gravity as an invisible force that reaches out from every object with mass. The bigger something is, the stronger its gravity. Earth is really big, so its gravity is strong. That's why we don't float into space. Instead, we're pulled toward the ground. Gravity, in space, even in space, gravity plays a big role. Planets, moons, and stars all have gravity. It's what keeps them together and in their places. For example, the moon orbits around Earth because of gravity. It's like a cosmic game of catch, with gravity as the catcher. Falling down and tides. When you throw a ball up, it eventually comes back down. That's because Earth's gravity pulls it back. This pull is what keeps us on the ground and everything in place. Did you know that the moon's gravity affects our oceans? It causes tides. The water goes in and out because of the moon's pull. It's like a gentle tug of war between the moon and the oceans. Different strengths. Big things like mountains have stronger gravity than small things like pebbles. That's why we don't float away from Earth even though it's really huge. But if you drop a tiny toy, it doesn't have much gravity, so it's easy to pick up. Summing it up. Gravity is like a friendly force that keeps everything together. It's why we stay on the ground and why the moon orbits around Earth. Whether on Earth or in space, gravity is always at play, making sure things stay where they should. And that's the simple scoop on gravity. It's one of the coolest forces in the universe, keeping everything connected. If you have more questions or want to learn more, feel free to ask. Now let's talk about something else, like the black hole. What are black holes? Imagine a place in space where gravity is super strong. It's so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. That place is called a black hole. It's like a super-duper vacuum cleaner in space. How do black holes form? Black holes are born when really big stars use up all their fuel. Imagine a star as a big balloon. When the balloon deflates, it gets smaller and smaller. When a big star's fuel runs out, it collapses in on itself and becomes a black hole. No escape zone. If something gets too close to a black hole, its gravity becomes so strong that it can't escape. It's like going into a space jail with no way out. This point of no return is called the event horizon. Different sizes of black holes. Black holes come in different sizes. Some are small, like a mountain, while others are huge, like a whole city. The bigger the black hole, the stronger its gravity. Conclusion. Black holes are like the mysterious corners of space where gravity is so strong that it swallows everything. They form when big stars run out of fuel and collapse. Their incredible gravity can bend light, make things disappear, and create a zone where nothing can escape. Isn't it fascinating how such a simple idea, gravity, can lead to something as mind-boggling as black holes? If you're curious to know more or have more questions, feel free to ask. We've journeyed through the mysteries of black holes and the magic of gravity. From the space-bending effects to the incredible power of black holes, space is truly astonishing. Thanks for joining us on this stellar voyage. If you enjoyed learning about black holes and gravity, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and engaging space explorations. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and keep wondering about the universe. Take care and see you in the next cosmic adventure.